So this is just a recap for live stream 162. It's a shorter recap. We came to the markets a bit later, primarily because of our job. So we definitely missed out on some very good setups. Also missed out on some couple of losers. So we had a good setup. The market trended pretty much off the open. So there was a good setup long on NQ, likewise ES. Same scenario on all the instruments, with the exception of gold. We'll get to gold. So ES, similar story. RTY, even though he had a rather deep pullback, would have hit targets. Likewise, YM. So we had good movement off the open. Gold, on the other hand, we would have took a loss. There was a setup short in this area here. We would have likely went short and would have been stopped out. And if we would have took a long as well, would have been stopped out there as well. So if we would have taken one more more trades, we would have lost out on gold. But the price movement was pretty good on NQ, ES, RTY, and YM. But we've only picked up 4.5, and we only did that on ES. When we came to the market, we saw that price got to an area where it was setting up earlier setup. Re-entry long, and saw prices pull back. If we would have gotten the original position, would have been stopped out, but saw that it essentially got to the stop by this week and turned around, so I decided to get back in. Thought about it for a long time, could have got a better price, but went long. Close it here. The reason I closed it here was because I looked on the economic calendar, seeing that the FOMC minutes are coming out. Even though the target's set up at the 840, and I do believe that prices will break out above the 840s on the news, even if the news is negative, to just clear out this area, even if we are going lower. Decide not to take that risk, so exited the position for total gain there of 4503. You can see it here in the middle right of the screen, and that was made all on ES. NQ, hold on a second here. NQ. On NQ, there was a setup, but by the time I got to the charts, needed price to get down to the 400. Didn't quite get down there. And so eventually cancelled the order because we do have the FOMC minutes coming up. We had a short, late afternoon shorts here with a move down to 24.3, and decided not to take it because we're coming to this area. We've seen quite a fair bit of buying. What we'll do is look at the trade performance. There isn't really much you can read into it, to be honest, because we only took the one trade that we've closed for a fairly small break-even-ish gain here on ES. So there's the trade. That's just exiting all of the contracts. Picked up 4. Very smooth equity curve. There isn't really much we can read. It's only the one trade. On the summary page, it's going to be 99 profit factor. Unsure again why the average winning trade is so small. Well, we had 50 contracts. Probably why. How did contracts are exited? It's how the contracts are exited, because the largest win, we've only took the one trade. It's how the contracts are exited. Okay. But that's about it. So we'll wrap up this video here for now. And what we might do is we might do some testing in terms of scalping. I'm not sure yet, but I may do some scalping later on. But that's it for this account anyway. This account that we are trading here on stream for live stream 162. I'd say it's a good day because we followed the rules. We didn't use the primary strategy. We used a re-entry off the primary strategy. But part of this new project I'm working on, I want to try and follow the rules as much as I can over the next 50 live streams and see where I am, see where the strategies, get definitive data on it. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.